So we're headed out this weekend, but we need to do a couple things first. So I've pretty much considered that the theme of this weekend is going to be, I don't care. Tammy's like, where do you want to go? Don't care. You know it's supposed to rain? Don't care about that either. What do you want to eat? Don't care. My whole goal this weekend is to get out and relax. I want nothing on the agenda. Just want to lay back, read a magazine, maybe shoot some pictures. That's it. The only problem with that is first we have to do a few prep items. So this afternoon is going to be a little busy before we get to head out. I've got to wash the dog. We've got to fill the water tank in the camper, and I have to pack. So other than that, we will get all that stuff knocked out, then be ready to hit the road. All right, the dog's washed, so the next thing on the agenda is going to be get all the camera gear together. So we've already got the bag down here. I've got my filters in here already. I'm shooting on my camera with the 17-50 and the GorillaPod, so that'll all go along. Got Tammy's camera with the 18-400 on it. Take that. Okay, and the Osmo Mobile, that'll go. Let's see here. We need batteries. 2 for mine, 1 for Tammy's. Let's see here. We'll take the 60mm micro and the 35 as well. Oh, and we need the strap. And grab the tripod, and that should about cover it for camera gear.
Now I just need to get my clothes packed.
So we got everything together. We ended up at Long Shoal Campground, which is on Truman Lake near Warsaw, Missouri. Everything's set up, you can see. As soon as we get some wood for a campfire, we're probably going to just sit around the rest of the evening and relax some. Hey guys, it's about noon on Saturday and it is just gorgeous outside. I really can't ask for a better day than what it is right now. So I'm tucked here in the galley because it's a little breezy outside. I wanted to cut down the wind noise as much as possible. It did rain on us a little bit this morning. Nothing major, no wind or anything, just a little rain. We decided to go ahead and watch a movie. It did take us about an hour to get the DVD player working. We couldn't figure out why it wasn't reading the DVD. After messing with it for an hour, we figured out all I had to do was hit the reset button. So anyway, we've just been pretty lazy this morning, plan on being pretty lazy the rest of the day, and just gonna sit around camp for the most part and enjoy the weather and maybe read a little bit and just relax. Alright guys, we woke up to a pretty chilly morning this morning. I would say, I'm guessing it's probably 35, 40, somewhere in that range. So I think we're gonna pack up pretty quick and then start heading home. right, well, we made it home. We'll wrap this up so we can put the trailer away. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.